Yes, yesterday I shared the five biggest mistake beginners make on YouTube. But today I'm not only talking about the problems. Today I am only giving you the solution if you've been struggling to grow. Watch until the end because the fixes can change your channel completely. Fix number one, find your niche. Mistake number one was posting content randomly. The fix. Choose your niche. Pick one topic you can post about constantly, whether it is YouTube tips, education, music, culture, any of your choice. A clear niche makes YouTube recommend your video to the right audience. Fix number two. Fix number two. Your thumbnail and your title. Mistake number two was weak title and weak thumbnail. Just make it bold, simple, and curiosity. Full stop. Use short word and big text. Use high contrast. Then ask yourself, if it would have been you, would you click to the video? If not, redo the title and the thumbnails again. Fix number three. Hook your viewers in within 10 seconds. Do you know that mistake three was about losing your viewers at the start, at the beginning? The fix is easy. Just what you have to do is write your hook before you do the filming. Start with question, a bold statement or promises to the viewers. Ask a question. For example, do you want to grow 1,000 subscribers in between 7 days? And here is how. So like that, your viewers will stay into your video. Fix number four, use shout as funnel. Mistake four was ignoring shout. The fix, just use your shout to get discovered by your viewers. Turn the highlight of your longer video into a quick video and link them to your longer content. Wow, it's like free advertising inside YouTube. Fix number five, build your community. Mistake number five, you were not engaging with your community. Here are the simple fix. Reply to your comments, ask a question, then use your community tab to communicate to your viewers. You know that YouTube recommend videos that people interact with. Engagement is the best friend of algorithm. Yeah, so those are the five fix for the beginner's mistake. If you combine them together, you will only avoid failure on YouTube growth. You will set up yourself for growth in 2025. Don't forget to subscribe to this video, like, comment, and share, and at the same time pressing on the notification bell. Please, if you find this video very, very important for you.